Nen. Ten. Ten.
Oh, 10.
Ten. Hens
Oh.
in the pen.
Okay, next.
A cup.
Mm-hmm.
A
Map.
map. A top. Done. Hat. Hat. Had. A cup. On his lap.
Hindi naman O yun.
The map is in.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something.
Hello mga kaulap! Here's today's vlog. Magbabasa tayo ngayon. English and Tagalog. So, let's start it!
Lakas mo, boys mo, mga.
Apa, mama. I have a dice at home. Naman, my brother saw a deer. I can see the rainbow. There are 5 boats. We play with the ball. The bird is on the tree.
Baliktarin mo. Yan.
Jack the rat.
Dito ka, malapit. Dito, yan, sa table.
Jack the rat.
Dito mo patong sa table, yan.
Jack the rat. Jack is a rat. He likes to run away from cats. Jack has a tan hat. He keeps it in his black bag. His best friend is a bat named Pot. Jack and Pot likes to play.
Walang S.
I like to play on a mat. The end.
Okay,
Naman
next.
tayo. Harry the dog. Harry is a dog. He is a big dog. He is always happy. He likes to sleep and go for long walks.
Okay, very good. Next. Okay, here naman.
Parang tumbas maan.
Yan. Yes. Malambot to ng konti. Okay, good. Dito ka sa table.
Okay. The top run on the cup and the mat.
Wait. Ito yung start niya.
Ay.
Dito ka. Karugtong lang yun eh.
Ah.
Game.
Okay.
Dito ka.
The hen, the man. The pen, the hen is in the pen. The hens in the pen. Then
No.
ten hens in the pen. Men.
Oh, 10.
Hens
Oh.
in the pen.
Okay, next.
A cup.
Mm-hmm.
A
Map.
map. A top. Done. Hat. Hat. Had. A cup. On his lap.
Hindi naman O yun.
The map is in the cup. Then hat, hand, hash, mm, hand, hen,
No.
hand,
Pareho nito. Anong letter to?
have,
No. No, hula.
pig,
3 letters lang yan eh.
is,
Ito oh, same nito.
hat,
Had.
had,
Kapag hat, T, D
Hat.
yan. D.
a, nope.
Nap.
The dog ran on the cup, and the map then has a
Walang N.
when
Walang N.
wet
Oh.
cup and a
Wet.
wet
Tatlo lang yan. Ito
Wet.
yung- Oh.
map on his lap. The pet, the jet, the vet, the pet is in the jet. The vet is in the jet. The vet is in the
Oh, ulit ka lang. Dito ka na.
The vet met the pet in the jet. The pet is in a net. The vet and the pet in a
Napagdugtong ko lang yan.
in a
In a.
in a in a
No, hindi ko nahiwala yung A.
in a ina. Ina. Kaya pala pagbasa ko dyan, ina.
In A. In A. Ganon.
In A.
In A. Net.
Net. In the jet.
Okay.
Ina. Ina.
Done ka na? Okay, very good.
Ina.
Yay! Tomorrow ulit. Yay! Tagalog naman tayo. Tomorrow. Okay? Good? Yay!
Thank you for watching, guys. Mga kaulap. Yeah. Tiga.